In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a reference window in Krita. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the left here and you want to select this tool, which is the reference image tool, okay? And then whenever you've done that, you want to go to up top where you can see like settings, tools, etc. And then hover over settings and click on Dockers. In here, you want to enable tool options. And then whenever you do that, you'll see tool options over here at the top right. And when you click on this is essentially going to be your reference window, okay? So in here, you can add a new reference image. You can click on this button over here to add it from file and then select your image. So I'm just going to go down here, select, for example, this one, click on it and click on open. Now a reference image is going to open. I can, of course, resize it, move it. I can change it whatever I want. And then I can just position it wherever. And of course, when I uncheck this, it's going to basically just stay there as a reference image, okay? Of course, whenever you select it using this reference image tool, you'll be able to change its opacity and then saturation as well over here. And you can use this kind of as an overlay or whatever, of course, you want to do with it. So that's how to open the reference window. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.